do a quick overlook of SPY and Qs for the upcoming week. So on the daily, what we're seeing is we had a breakthrough of point of control on the yearly. We reclaimed the 200 SMA, and then we went through and we back tested the imbalance that we created. So going forward for this entire week, I see we have this high up here, which was a retracement of this breakdown. So if we can continue our push, we would be targeting this high here of 411.73. I do think that that would create a raid into this level here, which is the 419.56, and we would just be targeting all these buy stops all the way up until this level into 440.35. Now that does seem like a long ways away, especially after this run. I'm personally, leaning to the downside until this overall trend breaks. I think that this is a good spot to load puts or short some common stock of some names. On the downside, what we'd be looking for is we could start rating on the hourly. Okay, we're at 409.60 is the upper value area. So as long as 410 is not broke, we would look for a retracement down into 395. And then from 395, we would be looking for this gap fill, well, right around these lows. So we would then target 390.14 into 385.64, and then this gap fill, but being above the 200 SMA on the daily is a pretty big deal. I was looking at this on the weekly as it was happening, and I kept telling everyone, buy the 200 weekly SMA touch. All right. And then long commons for your long portfolio anytime you are below this level. All right. Because this is the last 3 years we've went through it one time. All right. And then right here we poked below it very briefly, and then we've come up through. So that 440.87 is also the point of control on the weekly. Let's take a quick look at Qs. And sort of a similar story. Let's get rid of some of this on the chart, but go back down to the yearly. So 283.64 is our daily point of control, and 305.33 is the 200 SMA. All right, now we have imbalances here at 335.72 as well as 311, which coincides with this high and gap fill in this area. This gap fill would be 303.02 to 310.74. All right, so you'd be looking to essentially break through from this high to proceed to those levels, and that would be 295.75.